Hello, welcome to Boucher Cadillac here in Waukesha, Wisconsin. My name is Matt Borkowski. What I have here today is a 2018 Cadillac Escalade. Very, very sharp vehicle, 6.2 liter V8 engine. Lots of power, lots of performance, lots of safety. IntelliBeam headlights, 22-inch rims. You will have side blind zone alert in here, as well as many other features. You do have the keyless entry, of course, the side steps as well. Now this is the Escalade with the tow package. You do have the rear backup camera, and you will have the rear view mirror camera as well. Very nice. Now we do have over 15 of these in stock right now at our dealership. We do have the inventory reduction sale going on as well. As you can see here, there is lots of curvature, very nice. We'll take a look on the inside. Keyless entry, you press the button, it will open right up. And you do have the dual tone in this particular Escalade. You do have the 3 trim levels: luxury, premium luxury, and platinum. Lots of features in each of them and options to choose from. Take a look on the inside here. Now I'm going to go ahead and start it up with the push button. We'll start it right up. We do have the Cadillac user experience right here. It's all touch screen. As you can see, you hit the home screen button there, and you have many options. You have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You will have the collision alert as well.
Connected by OnStar's high-speed.
Turn that down. You will have the collision alert right here. So you have the opportunity to choose 3 seconds, 2 seconds, or a 1 second heads up. It will detect a potential accident and alert you in your seat and in the window up here as well. You do have the heads up display, as you can see here. Very nice. The rear view camera mirror pops right on like that. 300% more visibility that will give you. Captain's chairs, of course, and the third row. Now this particular vehicle does have the entertainment system in here with the DVD players. You'll have the large sunroof up top and the wireless charging capabilities right here. Heated and cooled seats, dual climate control, a nice little compartment here to store your phone. You can plug it in as well. Close that right up by the touch of the finger. CD player for the DVD as well. Custom wood grain throughout. This is hand-stitched leather, made in America. Now we do work with over 25 different lenders. I'd like to get you in, find the right lender for you, make you a Boucher family member. Now we do have the inventory reduction sale going on right now. We are priced to sell. We had 20 of these and now we're down to 15, so they are going as well. Again, my name is Matt Borkowski, 262-754-9600. Thank you.